Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the world of advanced health supplements with the BPC Alternative Liposomal. If you've been curious about how liposomal technology can enhance your health and wellness routine, stay tuned. Let's start with a quick unboxing. I just got my hands on the BPC Alternative Liposomal. The packaging is sleek and secure, which is always a good sign. Let's take a closer look at what's inside. Inside, we have the bottle. It's clearly labeled with all the key information you need. I appreciate that they include detailed usage instructions. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is liposomal technology? Simply put, liposomes are tiny vesicles that encapsulate the supplement, allowing for enhanced absorption and bioavailability. This means more of the supplement is actually used by your body, which can lead to better results. This advanced delivery system helps the nutrients bypass the digestive system, leading to a more direct and effective absorption into your bloodstream. Let's talk about the ingredients. The BPC Alternative Liposomal contains a blend of key nutrients and compounds. These are designed to support recovery, reduce inflammation, and enhance overall wellness. The main ingredient here is BPC, known for its potential to support tissue repair and reduce inflammation. Combined with liposomal delivery, it's meant to provide more efficient and effective results. I've been using the BPC Alternative Liposomal for the past few weeks, and I must say, I've noticed some significant improvements. I feel more energetic, and my recovery times after workouts have definitely shortened. One of the things I love about this supplement is that it doesn't upset my stomach, unlike some other products I've tried. Of course, no product is perfect, so here are some pros and cons. Enhanced absorption, easy on the stomach, noticeable results. Cons: slightly more expensive than traditional supplements, limited availability in some regions. Overall, I'm really impressed with the BPC Alternative Liposomal. If you're looking for a supplement that offers enhanced absorption and potential health benefits, this is definitely worth trying. Remember, always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more health supplement reviews.